welcome to another review in Tech Tips. Today we have the Fractal Design Node 304. This is a ITX case and I'm going to be using it for my mini server builds. So let's get started. Hope you can all see this because I don't have a monitor on the camera I can turn around, so I'll be interested to see the results. Seems like it's been packaged pretty well. The package seems pretty solid. So we've got the manual. And let's go on to the case itself. Okay, start with the back. You have your I/O shields, you have two PCI slots, power connector, looks like a 12mm fan mount, which is good because I'm planning on putting an H80i in here. Also on the side panel you have ventilation. If you want to put a high performance graphics card in here, it should be able to get enough air to cool itself. And on the other sides, I have another ventilation hole here. This will be for the power pack. The power pack sits inside the case and doesn't sit at the back as in most cases. Also on the side here we have two USB 3.0 ports, a headphone microphone jack and the power button. Moving on to the front, you have your power indicator, little Fractal design decal. So let's have a look inside the case. There is the 120mm fan at the back. First thing I forgot to point out in the back, there is actually a fan selector switch, which looks like it has high, low and medium. There are 3 fan headers attached to that. And we have the power cable inside. Do not plug in the power supply because the power supply sits inside the case, remember? We have USB 3 header, power LED lights, hard disk LED and power switch. So it looks like there's no reset switch on this, which is quite okay. Well, these have been tightened past finger tightness. Alright, so breaking out the trusty old Swiss Army knife. These are really in there. Okay, this is capable of housing 6 hard drives. We'll take 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drives, rubber grommets, Fractal design decal on the hard drive enclosure. I'll do this. Spin this around here, you can see this is where the power supply mounts in. You'll need to use a power supply that has the fan on the bottom, a 120mm fan on the bottom, because you won't get enough airflow through the old style. There's also, let's spin this around here, we'll take all the cages out, but just up in here there are two, what are they, 80mm fans. And you can actually remove this bottom one entirely if you want to put in a high-end graphics card. I think you can actually probably fit a 680 in here with no problem, maybe even a 690. Okay, that concludes our look at the Fractal Design Node 304. Thanks for watching.